Hi guys, it's Saturday. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you can probably notice that I really enjoy cooking on the weekends. I feel like I always just spend my weekends eating, honestly, which is nice because throughout the week with school and everything, I feel like I'm always like rushed cooking meals. So it's nice to have some days where I'm just at home working and also being able to eat good food. Usually Ty's here with me making these, but he's gone this weekend. So just me, but I think I'm gonna make a big breakfast right now because it's 12, so I'm finally hitting that point that I'm really hungry. I usually don't eat breakfast right away just because I'm usually like working on stuff in the morning and I just am not that hungry until later on in the day. Then I'll probably do some kind of smaller lunchy type snack mid-afternoon, and then tonight I'm gonna make a soup. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. I get a lot of requests for more cooking videos, which I'm so happy to do because I love to cook. Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace as well, which you guys know I've been talking about Squarespace for a while, but I launched my new website. It's been really amazing. It makes it just so easy for anything that you want to create, whether it's a food blog or for your music or for something you want to sell. It's just really easy, and they have so many layouts to choose from, and they have 24/7 hour support. So if you ever need help, there's always someone there for you. And if you guys want to check them out, you can go to www.squarespace.com/where I live to get 10% off your first purchase. So without further ado, I'm pretty hungry and I'm gonna make some brekkie. so I'm just gonna eat this soup. It's about 7 p.m. I still have not left the house today, so maybe I'll leave the house. I have a video to work on for tomorrow, so I'm just gonna work on that. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing what I ate today. I know it wasn't like the most exciting day of things I was doing, but I did make some really good food, which I'm happy about. And yeah, if you guys want to check out Squarespace, you can go to www.squarespace.com/where I live to get 10% off your first purchase. Other than that, I'm gonna leave you here while I consume this hot bowl of soup. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.